Hi friends, I wanted to hop on to show you how to use Facebook Messenger to keep in touch with your friends and loved ones. And let's just kind of get into it. Disclaimer, if you don't already have Facebook Messenger, you need to go and get that first, and you can get that from your app store on your phone. At the top here, you will see all of the people who are currently active online right now or currently active on Facebook. And this will also show you anything with a blue circle around it. Those are Facebook stories that your friends have published online. So you can tap on those to see those stories. You can also, at the bottom of the screen, tap on people, and that will bring up all of the active stories, at least for the next 24-hour period for each of those stories. Or you can click on active to again see all of the people who are currently on Facebook. This is a great feature if you're wanting to reach out to some of your friends just to let them know that, hey, I'm thinking about you, I'm praying for you. I just wanted to say hello. These are all the people who will be, who should respond to you right away because it shows that they're currently online. So let's go back to chats, and all I'm going to do is hit chats at the bottom of the screen, and let's go into an actual message with someone. So I'm going to tap on my dad here. And there's a bunch of features right above the keyboard. The very first one is a plus sign. If you tap on that once, it will bring up an option for you to share a GIF or a GIF, however you want to pronounce that. And if you go into the search bar, you can actually type in a number of things, actually just anything you want to get across. So let's do love. I'm going to type in LOVE. And then it brings up all the GIFs that are pertaining to love. So if you just noticed a second ago, my screen went up like that to expand. In order to do that, you just tap on your screen and move it up, and it moves it up for you. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, the next feature I want to show you is the pay feature. So just like the Cash App and Venmo, you can also send money to your friends through Facebook Messenger. I believe you have to enter your credit card into your settings in order for this to work, so just be aware of that. And the last feature over here to the right is the send location feature. So if you want to start sharing your location with your friends, you can do that as well. I'm going to select not now because I do not want to do that. To get out of this feature, you're just going to select the X over here to the left to shut this part of the chat feature down. The next icon we have next to the plus sign is the camera. If you tap on the camera, you're going to see my feet here and my mismatched socks. That will allow you to share a photo with someone, and that will allow you to also send a video to someone as well. And if you don't want to record something live, you can select the next icon, which is next to the camera, and that is the your camera roll. And that would bring up all of your previously taken photos and videos. Just to get out of that, you can just tap each of these icons to close them. The next one is the microphone. So let's say you're tired and you don't want to type a message to someone. You can also send a voice recording. So that has an option as well. To get rid of it, just tap on the microphone again. This feature you should be familiar with, and this is your text box, which will allow you to type in whatever text you want to send to your friends. Right next to that text box, you will also have a emoji icon, which is a smiley face. If you select that once, it will bring up all the different stickers or emojis that you can send to someone. If you click on the icons at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice that you have different options like cats, dogs, and if you hit the plus sign, you have even more stickers that you can send to your friends. To close this down, you select done. And then to shut this down again, you select the emoji icon to get rid of it. The last icon to the right is the thumbs up sign, and that allows you just to send a thumbs up to someone. So at the top right of the screen, this is where you can actually get into the call features. The telephone represents a voice call, and the video camera represents a video chat. So if you want to just call someone and talk to them, just like you were to do if you were to pick up the phone and call someone, you would select the telephone icon and it immediately starts calling them. And if you want to do a video chat, you go ahead and select the video chat feature, which is the video camera. you're just going to go ahead and hit the hang up button. And my dad's probably going to call me back like, why do you keep calling me? This is my third tutorial that I've done. So I'm going to get out of this, and you just select the back button to go back to the home screen in Facebook Messenger. To do a group video chat with someone, or a group message, or a group call, you need to go and select people to do that. So at the top right of your screen, you have a start message button. Let me say that right. And in this screen, you are allowed to pick whoever you want to be a part of your group message. So let's say I want to talk to my dad. You can go ahead and start typing in his name and select the circle next to his name. And it adds his name to a queue right underneath the search bar. And that just lets you know that you have one person selected for your group message. To keep selecting people, you can go to the search bar and search for someone else. So let's add my brother. And then that's another way that you can add someone. But also, if you don't want to type in someone, Facebook gives you a list of suggested people, and you can just scroll through this list here by using your finger to scroll and select the name that you want to add to the group. So I'm going to go ahead and put on here Jonathan. So when you're done with selecting people, you're going to go ahead and hit done at the top right of your screen, and now you have a new group message. All the same features at the bottom apply in a group message as if you were talking to one individual. And at the top, the call icons work exactly the same. The only difference here is you're no longer going to be calling or video chatting one person. You're going to be calling or video chatting 3 people, or however many people you have in your group message. And it calls them all at once. Just be aware of that. And that is it. That's basically Facebook Messenger in a nutshell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to help. And if you want a one-on-one tutorial, I can do that with you as well. Just let me know about that in the comments.